All right, look of this perfection. Look at this perfection. This house is in Bajet. Welcome to Bajet. Bajet, the most top city in whole Atlanta. This is insane. This is Bajet. This house has 6 huge rooms, 9 bathrooms, include basement, almost 8,000 square feet of pure luxury, That's insane. Look at these neighbors, all of these houses. Your neighborhood, luxurious. The minimum price of all of these houses is $3 million. The minimum prices. I love it. This is close to the downtown Atlanta, downtown Brookhaven, Sandy Springs, the most top cities around Georgia. Look at this, I love it. Almost a half an acre. Specifically 0.48 acres lot. All of this, I love this front yard. Look at this, how quiet, how beautiful, how quiet here. What do you think? What is the most perfect place for your lifestyle? Look at this 3-car garage here. I like it. This is unique. Follow me, step inside with me. Inside is amazing. Inside, let me show you. Inside is unique. Oh my goodness, I like this entry. I love this entry. Look at this fantastic space. Wow, this is so quiet, relaxing. How big is this house? We are working now in the finishes. Look at this, all of this. Naturally, this is the living. Well, this is the dining space. Huge dining space, huge windows over there. I like it. Follow me and let me show you this, the main door. Look at this main door, fantastic. I like it. This mirror, I love it. Follow me and let me show you this space, the magic office room, How big, how huge. I like it. All of these windows are unique, amazing. This space is magic, right? This space, you can improve your skills. You can to create business. Second floor, basement. This house is like 3 houses. 3 houses in one. Look at this, the guest room. Huge private bath, huge closet. It is amazing. Let me show you this perfect space. Oh my gosh, this house in less than 2 months will be ready. I like it. Look at this design in the ceiling. It is nice, unique. This house has unique finishes. Look at this whole of this fireplace here. I like this fireplace. I love it. All right, let's check it out. Oh my goodness, what do you think this private deck? This private deck with this door. I love it. This door from floor to ceiling. Open space. It is unique. Follow me. Let me show you another house in front. Look at this. This house, maybe this is not than 4 million. This is new construction as well. New construction. I like it. Follow me, guys. Follow me. Let me show you all this space. Look at this. You has one fireplace, another fireplace, huge living space. I like it. This room, oh my goodness, laundry room. That's laundry room. That's right, laundry room. Follow me. That's right. That's all in the first floor. Let's check it out. The second floor. The second floor has magic. The views is unique. Let me follow me. All right, welcome in the second floor. Look at this, the secondary living space, huge living space. I like it. This is perfect. This is amazing. How big these rooms? Let me show you. Oh my goodness, that is real. That is insane. Look at this. How big is? Room it is. This is the secondary master. This house has 2 master suites. This is big master suites. How big is a master bath? I don't believe that. That's real. I don't believe. What do you think? This is like another house. Look at this shower here. The shower here. Vanities over there. It is amazing. Oh my goodness. Private toilet here. For sure, private toilet. It is another level. Another level. It is insane, crazy, loco. Let me see another rooms. Follow me, let me see. Well, this is part of the master. That's right, this is the closet area. Master closet. Huge hall of this closet area has extra space here, extra space over there. Wow. It is another world. All right, this is the master. Let's check it out. The rooms, the other rooms. Okay, this is enough space. Perfect. Look at this is enough space here. Private bath. Each room has a private bath. Each room has a private bath. Great closet here. Awesome. That is great. I love this view. I love this view. Just a private balcony here. That's right, private balcony here. This is views. It is amazing. What is going on here? Another room here. That's great. Another room. It is perfect. Master closet here. Over there, bathroom space. It is perfect. Has another rooms. In totally has 6 rooms. 6 rooms. This is another room here. Has 6 rooms. That's unique. Let me show you the basement. The basement is like another house. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. The basement. Oh my gosh. Ya comenzamos bien. Look at this. So perfect. I like this basement because this is these views, natural views. This is not dark. It is like another house, so shiny, lively. Has another rooms here. Each rooms, this looks not like a basement. Not like a basement. Look at this. All of this. This looks not like a basement. It is fantastic. Has a private bath, private closet. Follow me. Oh, look at this design. The same design in the first floor. 2 fireplaces, another fireplace over there. Great living space here. Each part, obviously, here will be a kitchen. This is the kitchen space. Hall is this space. Kitchen space, living space over there. Let me show you the backyard. How beautiful big it is. Let me see. All right. This is all right. Sorry. Yeah, just waiting for the second video, for the next video. Stay tuned for the next video. All right, my guys, that is all for now. What do you think? What is your best part and all this very interesting, very pretty beauty this house? Let me know in the comments. Maybe the kitchen, maybe the huge living space in the basement, in the second, in the first, in the main floor. Let me know. Let's share this video with your family, with your girlfriend, boyfriend. Share this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's keep going. This 2026 is our years. It's our years. Our years, year than we are going to growing faster because God is with us. God bless you guys. I love you. Bye.